Alright, y'all, I got some new detailing stuff from a guy at a gas station. I did my research on it and it's supposed to be really good, and I haggled him down on the pricing. So today we're gonna try it out, see if it works as well as what they say it does. It's supposed to be eco-friendly, it's supposed to be waterless wash and wax. We got some tire and interior conditioner, some interior cleaner for the carpets and upholstery, and then I got a gallon of the actual wash and wax. He threw in some few towels and everything, so we're gonna try it out, see if it does any justice, and I'll let you guys know. So I just started on this side of the car. Took me 3-4 minutes just to do part of the fender and part of the hood, and it's actually turning out pretty well. So hopefully it stays on, it stays that way. So far I'm liking it. We'll see if I recommend this for other vehicles and use it on a daily basis. Okay, to better show you what this does, it's a two-step use where you spray it, you wipe it with a regular towel, and then you go back over it with a microfiber towel. So I'm gonna grab the microfiber towel so that way I can show you how well it does. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and spray. Just get that on there. Take the regular towel, wipe it down. And when you do this, it looks like it's smeared all over the place. Can't really tell in the video, but it looks kind of smeared. And we take the microfiber towel and it actually polishes it a little bit, and it looks a lot better. You're supposed to do this in the shade, so I'm doing it in a horrible spot under a tree, but I just want to see how it works. It's best to do it like in a garage or under a lean-to, or even pull up in a car wash and don't use the car wash, just use this product. But right there, you can see it looks a lot cleaner. It's probably not the best product, but it's definitely not the worst. And it works pretty well. So if you want to do a quick wash and wax before a car show, you can use this product. But I wouldn't invest too much money into it. Okay, so now I've done the majority of the fender, done the whole hood. It looks a lot better, but I did find a big flaw. If you come to some hard spots, it can't get it out. So the best thing to do is to go ahead and do a pre-wash to get all that hard junk out, and then go through it with this product that I just bought, because it does wax it pretty well. It feels really smooth, and it does the job it's supposed to do. It just doesn't clean deep down in those big bug splatters. So this would be something that you'd do after you have washed your car and you just need to do a quick wax. A spray on, wipe off, good to go type of wax. Now, the website for this stuff, these gallon jugs run for $99. And then the starter kit, which comes with the 3 bottles, the one for the wash and wax, the one for the interior, and the one for the tire and interior conditioner, that package goes for $69.99. That also comes with 2 towels, 2 sets to be exact. One microfiber and one of the regular towel. So in total, that's about $170 plus tax. So I spent less than that because I like to haggle people. But it's quite worth it, especially if you want to do your own wash and wax, or if you want to detail other people's vehicles and make some money on the side. I think it's worth it. I'm going to I'm going on vacation after this, and the car's gonna sit for 8 days. I'm gonna check it out when I get back to see how well it handles in the weather for that period of time. If it stays pretty clean, or if it's the cheap stuff that makes your car dirty within a few days or a few hours. We'll see. Still have a lot more to clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. So we're gonna try this on these tires. It has a lot of brake dust and everything. We're gonna see how well it works against it. Just spray a little bit down here. Take the rag, wipe it down. Take the microfiber rag. It actually does a pretty decent job. You can tell the difference. So it works really well against dust, brake dust, small things like that. But if there's embedded bug splatter and hard to get stuff, you're definitely going to need to wash your car prior to actually using this product. So after about 5 minutes of cleaning, this is what it looks like now. Looks a lot better. And the flaws that you're seeing are because the wheels are really old anyways. So it's not from the product itself. So it does decent on wheels as well. It's looking pretty good. If I had to rate this on a 1 to 10 scale, I'd give it about an 8. So it's your guys' choice to try it, see if you guys like it yourself. I'm sure I'll just use the rest of this product and try something else, see if there's something better out there.